Hola estudiantes y bienvenidos a la clase de español. Esta lección es por la semana del 6 de mayo. Hoy vamos a aprender del trabajo escolar de los estudiantes. Today we're going to learn from the work of you, the students. Después vamos a repasar cómo encargar comida en un restaurante. And then we are going to practice. We're going to review how to order food from a restaurant. Y al final veremos la tarea en CISA. At the end, we'll look at the homework on CISA. Okay, so last week's assignment, I asked you to rewrite the 3 sentences that we practiced. Okay, we've been practicing these sentences during class, okay? So I gave you the examples, and here are the examples right here. These are the sentence starters, and then where the blank is, you got to choose one of the foods from the list right there. So my friend Samaya, I want to congratulate her. She did a really good job writing una, dos, tres, cuatro. She actually wrote 4 sentences, okay? So muy bien trabajo, Samaya. Okay, I also want to congratulate my friend Dante. Él también escribió una, dos, tres oraciones, okay? So notice the assignments at least 3 sentences, okay? So if I give it back to you, it's because I want you to follow the expectation, okay? So the expectation was 3 sentences. You're super smart. I know you can do it, okay? Muy bien. I also want to congratulate my friend Johnny. Johnny escribió 3 oraciones. Muy bien. Una, dos, tres. And I like that Johnny used words that he already knew, okay? He remembered some of the words that we learned in our food unit. The food unit before we learned pollo, jugo, and we even learned about mole. So that was really cool. He didn't want to use these right here. That's okay. He used the ones that he remembered from other assignments. So he wrote, me gustaría comer pan con pollo. Podría traerme jugo. ¿Qué me recomienda comer? ¿Mole? Muy bien, Johnny. And let's see. We also have our friend Alexandra. She didn't write 3 sentences, but she made a recording of her voice. And I thought that was pretty cool. So felicidades, Alexandra. I love when friends want to practice saying words and sentences in Espanol. You can always make me a recording, even though I didn't ask you to, okay? Felicidades, Alexandra. And also we have our friend Sir Christopher. And Sir Christopher wrote out his sentences in Espanol on a piece of paper. And then he took a picture. I love that. Beautiful, because I also like to see your handwriting. Again, sometimes I don't ask you to attach pictures of your notebook, but that's something that you can always do. So thank you, Sir Christopher. Very good job, okay? Today, estudiantes, we're going to practice saying, we're going to practice saying these in Espanol, okay? So let me just check on something real quick. Okay, muy bien. So first we're going to practice the ones that we know, and then we're going to have a conversation, okay? So the first one that we learned was, me gustaría comer una hamburguesa, por favor. I would like to eat a hamburger, please, okay? So now I want you to practice saying that out loud, okay? When I go like this, that means it's your turn. Me gustaría comer una hamburguesa, por favor. Muy bien. Now we're going to say that a little faster. Me gustaría comer una hamburguesa, por favor. Muy bien. And if you need more practice, just rewind this video. Just go back a little bit and watch that part again, okay? The second sentence. ¿Podría traerme una hamburguesa, por favor? Can you bring me a hamburger, please? ¿Podría traerme una hamburguesa? Por favor. Muy bien. ¿Podría traerme una hamburguesa, por favor? Very good. I know you can do it. Okay, let's do one more. ¿Qué me recomienda? ¿Una hamburguesa? What do you recommend? A hamburger? Ready? ¿Qué me recomienda? Oh, that's a big one. ¿Una hamburguesa? Muy bien. ¿Qué me recomienda? ¿Una hamburguesa? Very good. Love it. Okay. We're actually going to practice these again for homework. Okay. So make sure that you remember that, and I'll explain it at the end. Now, what we get to do is we get to practice a conversation in Espanol. Okay. So the mesero is the waiter. Okay. So mesero is waiter. So the waiter is going to have 3 lines, and the waiter is the person that takes your order at the restaurant, okay? And then el cliente is the client, okay? That's you. That's you. When you go to a restaurant, you're a client, okay? You pay money to get something in return, okay? So I'm going to read all the sentences first to you so you know what it sounds like. And then I'm going to be the mesera and you're going to be the cliente, okay? And then we'll switch. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Qué le gustaría comer? Me gustaría comer una hamburguesa, por favor. Muy bien, ahorita se la traigo. Okay, so now we're going to practice me and you. Ready? Hola, ¿cómo está? Your turn. Muy bien, thank you for saying that. My turn. ¿Qué le gustaría comer? Your turn. Muy bien, ahorita se la traigo. That was cool. Now we're going to switch, okay? I'm going to be the cliente and you're going to be the mesero, okay? So you're going to start. Go. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Me gustaría comer una hamburguesa, por favor. Perfect, okay? And like I said, you can always go back and practice again, okay? So this is an important skill to speak another language, especially when you go to a restaurant. That's a perfect opportunity to practice what you know. Okay, estudiantes, so now we did our practice, and now we get to go over the homework assignment together. Hola, estudiantes. If you did not come to class this week, please watch the lesson before you start the homework. Last week's homework assignment was tricky for friends. So if I return the work to you, fix it and try again. You can do it. Today, you will make a recording ordering food at a restaurante. 1, tap on the add response button. 2, listen to the recording and practice a few times. 3, when you are happy, tap on the microphone and record yourself saying the 3 sentences in Spanish. 4, when you are happy with your work, click on the green check button. Muy bien. Okay, so step 1 is you're going to listen to the recording because I'm going to read to you the slide again. I want you to listen, to repeat, okay? And then when you are happy with the way that if you feel comfortable and you say, you know what, I think I'm ready to make that recording, then you're going to press on the microphone and record yourself, okay? So you're going to record yourself saying, me gustaría comer una hamburguesa, por favor. ¿Podría traerme una hamburguesa, por favor? ¿Qué me recomienda? Una hamburguesa. Okay? So that is the expectation. And just so we are very clear, estudiantes, this sentence, and this sentence, okay? And here at the bottom, just so you know, the second sentence right underneath, I wrote the English translation. So you know exactly what you are saying, okay? Tomorrow for game time, we're going to do Scholar of the Month. Some of you will be honored for all of your hard work. And even if you are not nominated, it would be really cool to have you so you can help cheer friends, okay? We'll also do regular game time at the end, and we'll play a game. We're going to be talking about our favorite cereals, okay? You're going to need to know that my favorite cereal is Captain Crunch. Okay, that is a secret password. Captain Crunch, okay? Los quiero mucho, se cuidan. Adiós.